Happy holidays, everybody. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite Christmas songs, Silent Night. In this lesson we're going to look at the chords and the rhythm. I'm going to start with the C chord. It's really easy. We're going to play the G string, the C string, the E string open, and on the A string we're going to place our finger on the 3rd fret, preferably your 3rd finger. And now we're just going to strum all 4 strings down. There's your C chord. Awesome. So let's now move to our F chord. To make that, we're going to place our 1st finger on the 1st fret of the E string. Now our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G. I'm going to strum that down, all 4 strings. And it's key to make sure you have all your strings ringing out. So don't be afraid to put down all the strings just to make sure all your notes are ringing out. We have C and F. Now our last chord we need is a G. To make this, we're going to take our 1st finger, place it at the 2nd fret of the C string, take our 2nd finger, place it at the 2nd fret of the A string. So far for the G chord we have 2nd fret on the C, 2nd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the E. And we're going to strum all 4 of those down. There's our G chord. So there's 3 chords in this whole song. We have C chord, F chord, and G chord. So now let's look at the rhythm. It's in our classic 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at specifically what our right hand is doing. We're going to go down, up, down, up. This is a pattern our hand's going to use. I'm just holding a C chord with my left hand. Our strumming pattern yet again is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now that we know the motion, let's do it in time. To count it out loud will help yourself. So we're going to count it out loud. We're going to go 1 and 3 and 1 and 3 and 1 and 3 and 1. Or if the numbers are confusing for you, you can do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I really want you to sing this out loud, or say it, but preferably sing because you get the rhythm. Down, up, down, up, down. You kind of accentuate that so your hand will follow what your mind's doing. Now let's look at the order of the chords. 4 bars on the C chord. So C, up, down, up 2, up, down, up 3, up, down, up 4, up, down, up. There's our first chord, our first phrase as I'd like to call it. That's the Silent Night, Holy Night. Now our second chord is a G. We're going to do 2 measures on G. We're going to go down, up, 2, up, down, up. And then we're going to go back to C for 2 measures. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we do a different chord right there. But let's review that. So we have 4 measures on C, 2 measures on G, and another 2 measures on C. So let's play through that slowly together with a count-in of 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, down, up 2, up, down, up 3, up, down, up 4, up, down, up in G chord, up, down, up 2, back to our C chord, up, down, up 2, up, down, up. That's where we go to our F chord. Second phrase of the song, we're going to go to an F chord. And we're going to play that for 2 measures. 1, 2. Now we're going to go back to C for 2 measures. 1, up, down, up 2, up, down, up. Now back to F for 2 measures. 1, up, down, up 2, up, down, up. Now to C for another 2 measures. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's look at that second phrase now. We have 2 measures on F, 2 measures on C, 2 more measures on F, 2 more measures on C. So now that you know what's going on, let's try playing through that phrase together. Counting of 3, start on 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. F chord. 1, up, down, up 2, up, down, up. C chord. Down, up, 2, up, down, up. F chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. C chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now last phrase of the song, we're going to go to a G chord. I'm going to play this for 2 measures. G, down, up 2, up, down, up C for 2 measures, up, down, up 2, up, down, up. Well, let's just look at that third phrase a little more closely. So G for 2 measures, G for 2, C for 2. So let's try that. Play along with me. Starting on G, counting of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, up, down, up 2, up, down, up C chord. 1, up, down, up 2, up, down, up. And here is the walk down. Sleep, sleep in heavenly peace. So I just strum once on each chord. I go C, and heavenly is on G, and peace is on C again. But it's, if you want to strum right through it, it's just 1 measure on each. Sleep in heavenly peace. Just 1 measure on each. So we got C to G to C. Let's go through that one more time all together. So the first phrase is 4 on C, 2 on G, 2 on C. Let's try that. Counter of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, C, 2, up, down, up 3, up, down, up 4, up, down, up G, up, down, up 2, up, down, up C, up, down, up 2, up, down, up F, down. Now remember, this phrase is going to be 2 on F, 2 on C, 2 on F, 2 on C. Here we go, starting on F. 1, 2, 3, F, up, down, up 2, back to C, up, down, up 2, back to F, up, down, up F, up, down, up 2, back to C, up, down, C, up, down, up 2, and last phrase, 2 on G, 2 on C, 1 more on C, 1 on G, 1 on C. So one more time, starting from the G, counting of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, up, down, C, up, down, up, 2, and ending sleep in heavenly peace. So I'm going to fumble my way through the whole melody so you can laugh at me and play along if you want. Alright, counting of 3, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is right. Phrase 2. Surround your virgins, mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild. Phrase 3. Sleep in heavenly peace. Ending. Sleep in heavenly peace.